very important that you take pictures or video before you take a movement apart. I had this in the wrong position. I looked at my pictures. You know, it's been a while since I worked on a clock like this, but I looked at my pictures and I corrected it. And when you put the gears together, you want to make sure that you have this type of gear going to this type of gear. This gear goes to this gear. This gear goes to this gear. This gear goes to this gear. And this gear goes to this gear, which is the fly, the governor. That governor is what regulates the speed of your gong. If this fly is loose, too loose on the governor, your gong is going to go too fast. And these are called leaf pinions because they look supposedly like a leaf. And so now I'm going to put the back plate on and work. I got the floating balance back on. And now I'm going to put the back plate on and work my way around. This piece of wire here regulates the stop levers, so it has to go in that hole. So I'm going to work my way around putting the pivots in. It helps if you can get a couple of nuts started. And then you work your way around putting the pivots in, the holes. You can use a pair of tweezers. They make a tool that has that's specifically for that. But as you can see, I got the screwdriver with a notch in it, and I can grab a hold of a pinion and move it back and forth. You don't want to use a lot of pressure when you're doing that. And so I'm going to see if I could do this on camera. Let's see if I could do this on camera so you can see what I'm doing. But you find the highest point, and you work your way around from there, trying to put everything together. There was a high point. The gong's gonna be another high point, maybe. Nope. I get another nut started, it'll help me out. You don't want to tighten them too tight. Just enough to kind of keep everything in place as you go around. and put everything together. I'm going to see if I can lit this up so I can see what's going on. Stand by.